Ansi bikubwatanira kwene Bw'Oborendi meyense nigo byakiramo na gosyorio OMOROBERIO bwekerero omanyekeno buna multi biometric identification system MBIS irigo konya kurwa Obokoreri asubwango gochiasa bakenya wetera enchira yekerero aso OMOROBERIO ragwa no muwaziri we wizara y'Oborendi bw'ime Kipchumba Murkomen nigo bwewe ekyombe gya forensic evidence management unit kiairwe yosikiairwe certificate ya anti-national accreditation board egatia bali baikirana haso OMOROBERIO ngamuno mu inspector general Kanja umukonyi bo mu inspector general Gilbert Masengeli amo numurai use umutendo w'ekyombe kya DCI Mohamed Amin nabwo abobisa bande kurase ensemo y'Oborendi.
For investigators, MBIS enhances suspect identification, latent fingerprint analysis, and the investigation of some of the complex cases that we deal with on daily basis. For the justice system, sir, it delivers a more reliable biometric evidence. And for the public, it promises faster police clearance certificate processing and thus reducing the turnaround time from approximately 14 days to as little as 1 day under optimal operating conditions.
These milestones are a source of pride for the entire National Police Service. They reflect what can be achieved when Kenya Police Service and the Administration Police Service and the Directorate of Criminal Investigation work together towards a common vision of delivering efficient, technology-driven, and citizen-centered policing. Together, these institutions strengthen the integrity of forensic evidence, chance to investigate capability, and improve the efficiency of service delivery to the public, particularly the processing of police clearance certificate. More importantly, they reinforce public confidence in our criminal justice system and position the National Police Service to respond more effectively to emerging security challenges.
The second milestone is equally historic. The handover of the ANABE accreditation certificate to the Forensic Evidence Management Unit is a movement of international recognition. This certificate is a global seal of approval, confirming that the National Police Service Forensic Laboratory has met and surpassed rigorous international standards in competence, quality assurance, and evidence management. These achievements are not merely a victory for the police. They are major wins for the entire criminal justice system, as our DPP mentioned.